Good morning students, it's grade 7th science day 21 chapter 7। अब चैप्टर 7 में हम पढ़ रहे हैं एलिमेंट ऑफ वेदर क्लाइमेट एंड एडप्शन ऑफ एनिमल्स टू क्लाइमेट। एलिमेंट ऑफ वेदर, द डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ वेदर इंक्लूड द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, रेन एंड स्नो एंड वाइंड। Maximum and minimum temperature, the highest temperature recorded during the day is called maximum temperature and the lowest temperature is recorded during the day is called the minimum temperature। जो दिन भर में हम जो मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड करते हैं उसको मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर बोलते हैं। जो मिनिमम रहता है, सबसे कम से कम टेम्परेचर रहता है, उसको मिनिमम टेम्परेचर बोलते हैं। द मैक्सिमम एंड द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर्स आर रिकॉर्डेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पेशल थर्मामीटर कॉल्ड मैक्सिमम मिनिमम थर्मामीटर। अब इसको हम टेम्परेचर जिससे हम मेजर करते हैं उसको मैक्सिमम मिनिमम थर्मामीटर बताते हैं। प्रिपेयर वेदर रिपोर्ट्स, द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर reached during a whole day is recorded. The minimum temperature of a particular day is recorded in the early morning. As the day advances, it becomes warmer and direct sun rays heat up the ground and surrounding air to the very large extent. The maximum temperature for a particular day reaches sometimes in the afternoon. अब जो मिनिमम टेम्परेचर हम सुबह नापते हैं और जो मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर हम क्या करते हैं दिन में आफ्टरनून में इसको मेजर करते हैं। दिस मेक द सराउंडिंग वेरी हॉट एंड अनबेरेबल ड्यूरिंग समर। For this season, we feel so miserable in the afternoon during summer. Humidity. Humidity is the measure of moisture present in the air. When the amount of water vapor in the high, we say that humidity is high. The weather report is newspaper show humidity in percentage. They actually show relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. It expressed a percentage of the maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold at the temperature. Humidity of 100% at the particular temperature means that the air saturated with water vapor at the temperature. Humidity of 50% means that air contains half of amount of water vapor required for saturation at temperature. Relative humidity is measured with the help of instrument called hygrometer. हाइग्रोमीटर में हम मिनिमम जो ह्यूमिडिटी को मेजर करते हैं। रेन एंड स्नो, in the cloud when the water droplets join together and become heavy, they come down as rainfall. When the temperature is very low, the water droplets in a cloud freeze into crystal of ice and fall down as snow. Rainfall and generally measure in millimeters with the help of instrument called rain gauge. Rain gauge is a measuring cylinder with a funnel at top. To collect rainwater, rain gauge measure the rainfall at a place in the unit millimeters. The moving air is called wind. During winter, when the wind blow from the mountains of northern India towards the northern plains, the plains become very cold. During summer, the winds blow from the western India towards central and eastern India and these regions become very hot. Climate. The scientists called meteorologists record the weather at various places every day. The records of weather have been preserved from the first several decades. These records help the meteorologist to determine the weather pattern at a place. The average weather pattern at a place taken over a long period of time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. कोई भी जगह के क्लाइमेट के लिए हम मेजर करते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है 25 ईयर तक अगर उसके क्लाइमेट उसके बराबर ही आते हैं तो हम उसका क्लाइमेट वही बताते हैं कि यहाँ का हॉट है या यहाँ का कोल्ड है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टेम्परेचर इन द हिमालय रीजन इज़ वेरी low most of the time. That is why we say that the climate of Himalayan region is very cold. The temperature in the desert is high most of the time. That is why we say that the climate of the desert is very hot. In some parts of Meghalaya, the average annual rainfall is 260 centimeter above. It rains also almost every day. We say that climate in Meghalaya is hot and humid. In जैसलमेर राजस्थान, the annual rainfall is 10-12 centimeter in a year. अब हम कैसे कैसे क्लाइमेट होते हैं, रेन एंड स्नो क्या होते हैं ये पढ़े, और किससे मेजर करा जाता है मैक्सिमम मिनिमम टेम्परेचर और ह्यूमिडिटी किसी में मेजर करा जाता है वो पढ़े हम। थैंक यू।